Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Holden Barina, stock number 5956. This ran from 09-2011 to the 12-2018. It has a F16D for 1600 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a F16D for 1600 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 15-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, left front mirror, front bonnet no dents, left front door 2 dents, left rear door 3 dents, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right front headlight, right front guard no dents, right front 15-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right front mirror, right front door 1 small dent, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear stick, AC controls, factory stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke steering wheel, instrument cluster,